Let's get a cold start on all of my cars. Now we have 7 cars that currently run, so let's go ahead and start off with the quietest one. The Jeep Grand Cherokee with a Hemi. Next up, my M4. Cold start is coded out on this one. Now we have my Mark V Supra. This car also has no cold start. Now I have a 1999 Toyota Camry that needs some help starting. Arguably the best sounding car. Now I have my C7 Z06. Starting to get a lot louder now. Next up, my twin turbo Huracan. And last but not least, my G82 M4. This one might be the loudest. Now the Opel currently does not have a battery in it, or else I'd start this one. But out of all the other cars, which car had the best cold start? I'll see you guys next time. Drive safe.